was than you are, but... Oh, well, someone turn around here.
Apparently.
Is this where you would turn around, or...?
Nope. There's a river down here. We're going to ford it.
There's a what?
River down here. We're going to ford it. We're going to ford through it.
Oh, four-wheel?
Ford. Push through.
Oh, nice.
But right now we're on ice.
Oh,
so we're going to go slow.
That's fine. Are we going to be able to get up this okay?
Yes.
Okay. I trust you.
I'm glad I trust me too. No more four-wheel drive.
The hell's the two tiny-ass little skinny...
Those are really, really deep, by the way.
Oh, yeah. Oh, God. I was talking about the little, like, 2-inch wide, like, wheels in the center of the big tracks.
This jackass has 3 bulldozers and drove them here and destroyed the road.
I'm going to say that was one of the deep holes. Are you good with not needing eyesight then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give me a minute. I'll roll up the windows in a second. Just... Shit. Oh, fuck this road up. Fuck. Oh.